Do you like choco pie? If yes, why don't you try the South Korean choco pie? This is #1 brand, Orion, that is selling widely in the world. But what is the specialty? Shall we check out? Yes, this is Flying Skies One. Welcomes you all to watch pretty good videos and offers. Today I have brought you a review on South Korean choco pie. This is a snack box. You will love it. Once you taste this, it will become an addictive snack box for you. As you see in the picture, recently I have ordered on Cred stores. You all know Cred is for offers. If you want one, you can check out. I'll provide the link in the description box because I have got it for 50 rupees. You see here, it's written as happiness inside. Yes, there is, once you taste. The original price is 150 rupees. I have got it for 50 rupees, but now it's available at 79 rupees as you see in the picture. Okay, not only on Cred stores, you can check out on Amazon or any online stores. I'll provide those links also in the description box because the offer is on. Now we'll see how's the choco pie. We'll check out first with the strawberry flavor, right? As you see in the picture. We'll open it and see how it looks. How it looks. Does it look yummy? Let me know this answer in the comment section, please. Yes. It has got strawberry filling inside. It's a layered choco pie. But then you see outer layer is chocolatey for all the flavors. Now we'll see the mango flavor. It has got mango fiesta. You will love it. You have a chocolatey outer layer. Inside you have mango filling. It's kind of a mango gel, or else you can taste the tangy flavor of mango. So the next choco pie is chocolate. This is full of chocolatey. As I said earlier, the layer is, that means the outer layer is chocolatey, and inside the filling also would be chocolatey. You can see the filling inside. If you are a food lover, do taste this. That's it. Here ends all choco pie flavors. Now we'll see one more snack box from Orion brand. This is also South Korean packaged food. This is cake. As you see in the picture, it has got filling. But sorry, I'm unable to show it because I lost that video. This is super soft. You can taste once. And the next comes rice cracker. This got different taste. It is crunchy, crisp, but not hard to chew. It's like Indian fryams. It has got different sweet taste because it is made from rice flour. Okay, this is all from Orion brand, the #1 choco pie seller in the world. If you liked the video and the review, please comment, share with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe. Keep smiling and have a sweet choco pie day, right?